Part 1. Introducing Building Element. One of the non-load-bearing components that is implemented in the early stages of construction is the flooring at ground level or slab on grade. Due to direct contact with the ground, measures must always be taken to prevent soil moisture from entering the building and the growth of plants under the soil. Part 2. Implementing details. The existing soil must be compacted. If the existing soil is not compactable, part of it is replaced with compactable soil. To prevent plant growth and moisture from transferring upward, a 1 to 3 cm layer of lime powder and sand mixture is applied to the soil. To prevent soil moisture from transferring to higher levels, several layers of dry stone are used. First, large pieces of stone, then smaller pieces of stone with a thickness of 7 cm, and finally a sand and gravel mixture with a minimum thickness of 1 cm are poured into the flooring area. The total crushed stone layer is between 25 and 45 cm. Concrete with low cement content of 150 kg per cubic meter is applied to a thickness of 5 cm to level and prevent the concrete floor from coming into contact with the underlying surfaces. Concrete with a minimum cement content of 250 kg per cubic meter is applied to a thickness of at least 10 cm according to the structural designs. The next layer is a moisture insulation that is applied between 2 layers of sand and cement mortar. The moisture insulation layer can be tarpaulin or prefabricated moisture barrier. The sand that makes up the cement sand mortar must be fine so as not to damage the moisture barrier. The total of 2 layers of cement sand mortar, in addition to smoothing the surface, also protects the moisture barrier. The thickness of the moisture barrier layer and mortar is at least 4.5 cm. The cement terrazzo is attached to the underlying layer using a cement sand mortar with at least 200 kg of cement and at least 2.5 cm thick. The thickness of the cement terrazzo is at least 2.5 cm to withstand loads and ensure proper durability. The gap between the cement terrazzo is filled with cement grout. Finally, the parquet pieces are laid on the cement terrazzo surface with special adhesive. Part 3. Constituent materials. Part 4. Reference.